There really is no better feeling than after getting milk than having your friends come over and play a really good couple games of Go Fish. We played a little different though. We played with baseball cards and we played for keeps.
Do you have any Jose Altuve's?
Yes. Do you have any Derek Jeters?
Go Fish.
Do you have any Aaron Judge?
I do. Do you have any Chris Davis?
Yes. Chris Davis.
0454 Chris Davis. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Nick with BCNT Sports Cards, and we got a huge break today. I got my pal Nick. He's got a bunch of stuff he's going to break. Let's get right into it. Got some Bowman, got some 2019 Donruss. Once I'm done opening up, I'm going to move over, let Nick do his stuff. We'll get right into it. So,
looks like a good pack so far.
Get some hits. Need some color. That's nice, Luciano.
you can go through them too if you want after, in case I miss something. Of course, Athena has the whole house, dude. The whole house here to say we don't have a chair. Let's go, pack number 2. I just want to shout out Tyler for not coming over because he had a softball game. I'm going to call him right out on here.
Yeah, he's a liar. Softball in the rain.
Yo, you want to play softball in upstate New York in some mud and rain? Or do you want to open up cards? I think I want to play softball, dude. Chicks dig dudes that play softball. Do you get any numbered with the camo ones? Or no?
I've never gotten one, so I don't know.
I haven't seen. I don't
I've
think
never
so.
seen an auto or a number.
It's a nice anti-theft card you got there.
All right. Let's see here, JT, Matt, Francisco Lindor, Mookie, Ozzy. I've got, oh, there we go. That's a nice decent one. This guy always fakes me out because when I'm pulling it, I see the gold and I'm thinking like, oh, dang, what the hell is that?
Infield.
And it's the stinking infield. So I guess Nick's been really hot with those, right?
They're nice, dude.
Yeah, what have you gotten?
I don't know, I bought so much dollars, I can't even. Like, I've got a bunch of Taylor Tramos, who's nice.
There we go.
Julio Papa Martinez, nice. I wish I had got Fernando Tatis, that'd be nice. But that has not happened.
Basically, I'm just looking for wanders.
Yeah, I mean.
Wander anything.
There's a lot of guys I'm looking for. Like, if you hit that Lucy, or if you hit freaking Michio numbered auto, you're money, dude. Even Luciano.
Oh, yeah. Dude, his swing looks a lot like Didi Gregorius.
He plays like him, kinda. I'm not just going to the fielder, though.
Sorry? No, we're good. I should be able to. Ooh,
Atomic.
number 2.
Yeah, Atomic.
27 to 150.
That's nice.
I do like
Oh,
that.
it's Mackenzie. Nice.
Would have been cooler if it was Wander Franco.
I mean, Tristan McKenzie's pretty nice, bro. We can complain about it.
All right, I'm not complaining.
Just a little.
Hope you like chicken bacon.
I like chicken bacon.
I also got pepperoni because I didn't know what you like. So, chicken bacon, half chicken bacon, half pepperoni.
Please. I like the sparkles of the Alexander. It's pretty cool. Not too cool though.
I'm having Nick go through them too in case I miss something.
I mean, Joe Adele's a monster. DL Holton and nice Orioles.
The Baltimore Glory holes.
Basically what was last year, and this year, and the year before. Damn.
The reason why I posted that on Facebook too, and like what happens if they hit a home run thing is because I got a Miguel Andujar one, and I put it as my birthday months ago,
Yeah.
and he's in the lineup. So, oh, there we go.
Ooh,
We got a chromie. That's where it's at.
That's where you wanted.
Dude, yeah, dude. If I got nothing else the rest of the night, I'd be happy. Dude, I've gotten literally one autograph out of all the Bowman I've bought.
Really?
Oh, there we go. Jonathan Loisiga numbered card. Put it right there for now. It's at a $4.99.
Plus, I can't see it.
Wander boy. Where's Wander? Is Wander wandering? Stop wandering around the infield. Right? Wander can chill on my table all he wants. There we go. Got a green Eloy. Oh, this might be the biggest hit of
Oh
them
my
all.
god, when you said green yellow, I'm like, out of 5?
Oh, that would have been nuts.
I mean, it's good.
I threw it out. It's somewhere.
It's very sorry. You know that little chip thing in the back?
Just a Sheffield. One more pack and then I open up that box. Oh, there's another numbered card. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right.
Solid start.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Get these bad boys out of my way. Do these come with the packs, or is it like all saran wrap? Cool.
Yeah, the box is confusing because they're rocking huge.
Right. Alright.
That's nice.
You know what I'm saying, too?
Boy, they make these packs are,
Not really.
the plastic's really weird on them.
That's where I'm adopted from.
Alright.
Got 2 more, but they're stupid. I was 18 and drunk. This one says you bastard Japanese. This one just says lucky with a bunch of cards.
Yeah, there's lots of things in those. The retail stores.
Oh wow, look at that one.
It's nice.
That's pretty cool.
Ooh, big radio looking. What is it? Ooh, Cushion Story is nice.
Mookie Betts.
I'm hungry.
Oh, word.
Word. Anyone got like 2 smackers for a tip?
I think I got like a Hunter Renfroe.
You get me a lotto ticket.
Joey Gallo. Chris Bryant.
It's already scratched. Yeah. It's already scratched.
Get the Georgia winner so you both get lucky.
Oh. How much?
I don't know, 10? I'm gonna go with everything.
I've given them like a $10 tip before. You know, last time we got pizza, I called some guy in Michigan.
Alright, Chris Bryant again. Christian Stewart again. Felix Hernandez, the Yankees just pooped all over him the other night. Max Scherzer. Jacob DeGrom. If I went through this whole thing, didn't get an auto.
I try.
I cried too. You're like, I know my birthday. Call him up and be like, dude, we'll send you 5 boxes. I'm sorry.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, right. Javier Baez. These would look really cool. Bryce Baumharper. JT. Joey Gallo. Hernandez.
Oh, no.
Is that it?
That's all.
Who is it? Josh James.
No number. Gonna have to look that one up.
Yeah, gonna have to do some quick research on that bad boy.
Is that Josh James?
Yeah. Raphael Devers.
Ooh, those are cool. Flip it over. Prospect on the back. Elo.
Ooh.
I like those.
Yeah, those are cute. Justice Sheffield, AJ Polk, Francisci Lindy,
He's going for $2.99.
Trout?
Michael Trout,
You want wrong with the trout. Remember Asian Acuna?
yeah, Ronald Jose Acuna Blanco Jr. The tough part with them, though, you gotta get like a big name auto for it to work. Because a lot of people don't dig with the no logos.
Yeah.
It doesn't really bother me, though. I don't
Doesn't
really
bother
care.
me at all.
Manny Machado.
Here's a little extra to open for your birthday. Oops,
Aw.
on top of your
It's all,
ovaries
it's,
there.
you're a sweetheart. Let's just give this guy a quick, like, ah, he's so cute.
Nice. There we go. That's not bad.
I like my cards like I like my chili. Messy. Steven Strasburg. Ooh, Bryce Harper. Miguel Sano. Rez. Adam Jones. Mookie Guess. Packs just keep coming. Sit here all day and night.
Yeah. Maybe.
Kyle Tucker. Alex Bregman. Christian Yelch.
Crazy. It's in the league right now.
This is true.
Dude, it's a homer. Seems like every other day.
Dude. That's how it felt when with Judge in a couple years ago.
It's like a lefty that on court played Soriano used to like. It's
Mm-hmm. Dakota Hudson. Paul Goldschmidt. Nothing wrong with that. Alex Bregman.
What?
Yeah, it's just,
Oh, yeah.
Say that chicken.
Yeah.
That's my cat. David Wright.
It looks so fluffy and like poop out like he's got wings from over there.
Short Man Altuve. Nelson Cruz. Buster Posey, that's my dude. Yeah, I just forgot to flip it.
Joey Bart.
Joey Bart.
it's always my car.
Alright, you said these ones?
Yeah, push. Somebody keep down this outfit.
Ken Griff. Noah Syndergaard. Abdul Herrera. Is it cool? I like that Noah. It's cutie. We'll actually make a second pile right there. We'll make a Gomer pile right there. Nolan Arenado, Luis Severino, Ryan Braun, Austin Hayes. Frank Thomas, Daniel Murphy, Freddie Freeman, Nick Dubs. Nicky Dubs.
You need a nice name variation when you stand on that great.
Hmm?
So it's a nice little name variation when you kind of great.
Kid, you're not that great, but we'll give you a name variation on the card deal. How's that sound? Gee, thanks.
Devers has the best one. Raffy Big Stick.
Joey Votto. Yachty.
Auto?
No, that would have been nuts. And Giancarlo Stan.
2007 Team MVP. That's what I hate about the Donner Sockers ones. They flip some of the cards that are just like...
Yeah, you're sitting there thinking, oh, damn, did I get something? It's like, yo, why are you flipping for a variation? Salvador. Mookie, that's a cute looking Mookie. Nolan Ryan. Ryan McMahon. Mookie's cute. They're sharp looking cards though. I think, at least I think so.
I love the autos on those things.
Yeah, no, they're cool.
Nice on card, so clean.
Greg Allen. Ooh, an Aaron Judge. There we go.
Your boy.
That's my boy. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned to see more card breaks. Thanks.